Hello, everybody. We're going to speak about connected speech assimilation. One of the things that happens when we speak fluently is that the sound at the end of a word can change. For example, in the sentence Green Park and and with a n sound, but when a word ends in the sound n underneath and begins in p, b, w, or m sound, then the n from the end of the word change 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 to m. As your mouth get, gets ready to pronounce the net sound. Net sound. Assimilation means that the sound changes to be more like the foreign sound. Variation of the sound, and this makes articulation easy. Let's look at more for example. Let's look at more for example. Okay. Tempers. Tempers. I am in Paris. I am in Paris. Paris. Arrive on Monday. On Monday. Arrive on Monday. Okay. I open book. I open book. Okay. The word T T changed to P before M, B or P. Okay. For example. For example. Okay. Park money. Park park money. Park money. Okay. Pot plant. Pot plant. Pot plant. Learning activity. Activity. Okay. Activity. Write to a simulation sentences according to the pitch the, to the topic scene. Okay, to the topics scene. Thank you. Bye bye. See you later.